How to make a glowing watermark in After Effects. If you have finished editing your video and want to add an awesome eye-catching watermark, here's how to do it. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a glowing watermark in After Effects. It's simple and easy to do. First, duplicate your clip by using the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Next, add the flip plus flop effect to the duplicate layer. Create a new text layer and type the text what you want. You can use the type tool by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Position the text where the most impact will be felt. Change the duplicate layer to Luma Matte. Pre-compose your text in a duplicate layer. Now search for the Drop Shadow plugin and add it to the text layer. Set the distance value to 13 and the softness value to 14 to achieve the desired effect. Next, search for the Exposure plugin and add it to the text layer. Set the exposure value to 1. Search now for the Glow plugin and add it to the text layer. Set the glow threshold value to 50% and the radius value to 2. Finally, pre-compose all the layers. There we go, you have successfully added a glowing watermark in After Effects, which will give your video a nice look. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.